I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play mod maps on SnowRunner for Xbox. First, you will need to create a free account on mod.io, which is the official platform for SnowRunner mods. This account links your game to the vast library of community-created content. Once your account is ready, you can dive into the exciting world of custom maps, trucks, and more directly from your console. To find new content, open SnowRunner and select the mod browser from the main menu. Here, you will log in using your mod.io account details. This step syncs your game with the online mod library, displaying hundreds of available options. Browse through the categories like maps or trucks, and when you find something you like, simply hit the subscribe button to start the download. Once a mod finishes downloading, you must enable it within the mod browser to activate it in your game. For mod maps, you will need to start a new game and choose custom scenarios to access them. If you downloaded a modded truck or trailer, these will become available for purchase in your existing game's truck store or garage, ready for you to use on your adventures. Keep in mind that console platforms have a memory limit, typically around 4,000 megabytes, for installed mods. Manage your subscriptions to stay within this limit. It is also a good practice to check for mod updates, especially after game patches, to ensure compatibility. Finally, always recover any modded trucks to your garage before quitting the game to help prevent potential save file issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.